For me, sustainability is about my own personal choices. What I purchase, what I eat, my habits, and things like that. My philosophy is really more about progress over perfection. I like to challenge myself and others who I work with. What are small changes that we can make today? We can each make a small change and encourage somebody else to do so. And a bunch of small changes can add up to make a really big impact. I'm working to implement our biomass balance program here in North America. Essentially, what that means is replacing fossil carbon with renewable carbon in our value chains. As the world's largest chemical company, we consume a lot of fossil resources. We know that needs to change. And we know that chemistry is required for us to meet these climate goals. Chemistry is really the solution in a lot of ways to the problems that we're facing. The work that I'm doing is to keep the fossil in the ground and replace it with more sustainable and renewable options. I'm really excited about the huge opportunity I have to make an impact. Sustainability is not just a job, it's really my purpose, my passion.